Hello everyone, it's Francis with Your Book of Memories. I am so excited to show you this brand new project. Maria, our sweet friend in our YBM community, came to me with the design suggestion, a box with a window that can hold 12 of our little flip books. And it was an absolute blast bringing her idea to life. So thank you so much, Maria, for sharing your brilliant mind with us. You are amazing. I used Echo Park, our baby girl collection, and I just love this paper. Maria said 12 flip books would be great to document a baby's first year or a full year in school month by month. And I just thought this paper would be perfect because look, it's got all the cute little months all the way to 12. I just love how this ended up. It's got a super fun window on the front so we can peek inside. I ended up adding some little stickers and layering them up here. I put a cute little banner across, a few hearts, and also tucked a few stickers behind. And I just love it. You can actually orient your box with the, look at this. I mean, I can't wait to show you the inside. It's just so fun. You could decorate it any which way you want. Now, just to decorate the box itself, it only took about 5 sheets of 12 by 12, but for the flip books plus the box, it took me about 2 1/4 packs of this collection. Oh my gosh, are you ready to look on the inside? This magnetic closure just has my heart. And I teach actually how to make this entire thing from scratch. This is like a seamless magnet technique, so I love it. I came back with that cute floral paper right here. And again, you can even decorate more on the inside if you wanted to add more stickers, but I wanted to keep mine simple. Now, depending on how you want to decorate your book or orient your box, you really could just kind of orient your flip books in any direction you want. But Maria was thinking being up on a shelf would be perfect. So this door is able to kind of swing open and you're able to grab out anything you want. It's just a super simple brad twist tie closure and a little bit of twine, and it opens up just like this. They come together so quick and they're so easy. And I actually have an entire free tutorial on how to create this little flip book, and you can use any paper you want. In my class, I ended up using Christmas paper, but look how cute it is with this. I've got a cute little circle I punched out of a little pocket right there, and then I stuffed in a simple little photo mat right here, and you can jot some ideas on the back or little notes about the baby's first month. And then I added a cute little tag from the cut aparts page, and I just kind of snipped it, added some ribbon and stuffed it right in here. I have a collection of stickers right here, which I thought were super cute. I tied a little bit of ribbon here and doodled just a tiny bit. And I also came back with my little chalk marker as well. So this is month 1, and I thought these 2 cute little photo spots and this flip were just absolutely adorable. And you can even do a little 1 month, which I came back with my chalk marker and I kind of put it on the spine, depending on which way you want it. And the number won't show if you put it at the top, but once you open it up, you can select which one you want to see. So I thought that was so cute. I'm going to continue going through these. I'm going to go ahead and take this out of the box so you can see the rest of the construction. Look how cute. Is that darling or what? I just love that orange leaf paper. So this closes right back up. You can even just make this box again. This box is a separate tutorial, which is totally linked in the description as well. You can decorate different. You can have it as a standalone photo box. This little thing is just so cool. Now here's month 2, and of course you could be a little bit more strategic with your design choices here. I kind of repeated the patterns just so I can get through the paper. This is a great scraps project. Look at month 2. And I left these open, of course, so the recipient can tuck their little pictures behind there. But look at this one. I came back actually with a cute little butterfly punch, adorable little tag, and another photo mat for this one, with some layered stickers and a little strip of the ribbon. I thought that ribbon matched perfect. Here comes month 3. Look how adorable. All these can be different or the same even if you wanted. I just kind of try to match it best I could. I ended up putting some hemp cord on top of this very thin 1/8 of an inch satin ribbon there. Another cute little butterfly, another picture mat and a tag. Simple little floral sticker with a little heart sticker in the corner. And then I kind of went nuts with my little journaling pen right there. A little custom touch. Month 4 is just, I love the oranges. And that vellum back there that just kind of creates that cute little fogginess. I'm obsessed. Again, photo space. I ended up doing a corner punch down here by accident, but I thought that actually looked kind of cool. You could do that on purpose, and that would look lovely. Number 5 was actually one of my favorites. The color combinations with the plaid. I just love this paper. Look how cute. I love that teal for some reason. It just has my heart, and I thought the ribbon matched perfect. And there is still room to grow inside this box if you wanted to kind of stuff these with pictures. I accounted for that measurement so they fit in there beautifully. Month 6 has that beautiful yellow, sun yellow page. It's fabulous. And I ended up sticking a sticker directly on top of this tag. I got that from my friend Megan Lucy. So I ended up matching the cute little design paper pocket with the 6-month little circle. Now again, this tutorial on how to create this entire flipbook is down in the description. It's a free class. I think you'll really love it. And then if you ended up wanting to make a box, the tutorial for that is down below as well. And if you've actually never taken a class with me before, this is a great one. So you can kind of, see my teaching style, see if it's something you can learn from. And look how cute this tag is. Oh my goodness. I'm just obsessed. Maria, you just have a brilliant mind. I'm so glad you asked me about this. How cute are those little overalls? And if you end up wanting to join the membership, I'll leave that info down below because there is a coupon down there for you to get 25% off your first month, which gives you instant access to every single tutorial I've ever created in my entire career, including this one and all the new ones coming. I have podcast episodes. You get access to the community to share your projects with us. We would love to see what you make. And everybody over there just has a blast. We do games, activities. So if you wanted to jump in and join the community, we would love to meet you. I just can't wait to see what you make. Look at this one. The teals and the little happy friends on the front. Is that cute or what? Oh my goodness. Month 9. I love this banner page on the tag. These were just 3x4 cut aparts and I just angled them. Added just a little bit of this hemp cord. Look how easy that is. Just a little simple touch and it transforms the look of the paper. Month 10. This is so cute. I love the gingham here with the tiny little hearts in between. Super happy little sunshine. And then the, yes, rainbows. Absolute. Oh my gosh, I just continued to use this butterfly punch over and over because it just fits so good. Even though there's no butterflies in the collection, I still thought that it was adorable. This is another one of my favorites right here, month 11. I just love how this one turned out. I got a cute little pink tag here for this one. Another little picture mat back there. And then we got that awesome little ribbon strip, sticker heart, and then layered flowers right over that butterfly. Isn't that cute? That happy teal paper. The plaid, obsessed. 100% obsessed. I kind of did some squiggles there. You'll see all these different little flipbooks have my handmade touch with the little chalk marker lines. And look at this last one. Oh my goodness. Yellow. Is that sweet? Yellow actually, when I was a kid, was my favorite color. And that paper back there, it just doesn't get better. It would be so awesome to see what you would do with this. Go ahead and check out the Flipbook free class down in the description. And then if you wanted a box for all 12 of them, if you're documenting a school year or your baby's first 12 months, come make this box with us. It's part of the membership. I'll leave that coupon below for you. Let's just watch how all these come back together. They all just fit perfectly in here with wiggle room. Ready for all the pictures to be added into it. Thank you everyone so much for watching. Maria, you're awesome. I'm so glad you shared your idea with me, and I'm looking forward to seeing everyone's projects. I'll see you all very soon, and my students, I'll see you in class.